We'll guide you through how to make small text in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your device and connecting it to the internet. Open your preferred web browser and type docs.google.com into the address bar. Press Enter to visit Google Docs. Once you are on the home page, open an existing document or create a new one. Wait for the document to load completely before making any changes. This ensures all tools and menus are available for editing. Next, locate the text you want to make smaller inside your document. Click and drag your cursor over the text to highlight it. Make sure the correct word, sentence, or paragraph is selected before continuing. Selecting the text first is important because any formatting changes will only apply to the highlighted section. Take a moment to confirm that you selected exactly the text you want to resize. After selecting the text, look at the top formatting toolbar. Find the font size box, which is usually displayed next to the font style name. Click on the current font size number. A drop-down menu with several size options will appear. Review the list carefully and choose a smaller font size than the current one. As soon as you click the new size, the selected text will instantly become smaller. If you want more precise control, you can also click inside the font size box and type a custom smaller number manually. For example, if the text is size 12, you can change it to size 10 or 9 depending on your preference. After typing the new number, press Enter on your keyboard to apply it. This gives you more flexibility when the default drop-down options do not match the exact size you want. Continue editing your document normally after adjusting the text size. You can repeat the same process for other text sections if needed. Google Docs saves your changes automatically while you work, so there is no need to click a Save button. Before finishing, scroll through your document and double-check the final appearance. Make sure the smaller text looks consistent with the rest of the content. Confirm that everything is easy to read and properly formatted. Done! The text has been successfully made smaller in Google Docs.